Hey, what's up guys? I'm just out in the workshop getting together the stuff I need to start working on these eBay heads, and one of the things I needed to do was make up a fresh set of dummy plugs out of some old used plugs. Now of course you want to use the spark plug that you're going to need for the head, and the ones I needed for these heads have this, the washer and not tapered and they're longer, Anyways, let me show you here why real quick. See, I'm going to start cleaning up this chamber and I want to get these extra threads out, and with the old spark plug in the way, with the electrode in the way, it's hard to get into there. So that's what I want to, grind that out nice and good, but I need to have a little more room. So here's what I've done so far. I went in and cut off the electrode on this plug using the cutoff wheel, and next I'm going to show you that step here real quick. Let's just set the camera and grab this. What I'm going to do is take a pair of pliers and just crush the porcelain out of there. Now in the past I've used a chisel and a hammer, but this way is much easier. See, can you see that? Sorry, I'm just making sure the camera can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to squeeze, not that hard even. Bam, and I just broke up the porcelain, cracked it, get it out of there, and I will bend the electrode, the center electrode, to break up the rest, get the rest out of there. Oh, come on. There it goes. All good. Now all I need to do is take the cutoff wheel and cut off that little bit right there, and I'm good to go. Simple and easy as that.
Short and sweet.
So, I better get back to work. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.